Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the drive belt on your front load washer, and it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver or a 7mm socket or nut driver. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we will need to pull the washer forward far enough that we can remove the rear access panel. So we'll begin by disconnecting the power and then pulling the washer out far enough to get behind it. Now, with the washer pulled forward enough that we can gain access to the rear panel, we'll remove those 4 screws with either a 7mm socket or nut driver or a Phillips screwdriver. Now, there are 4 tabs on that panel that slide into little slots on the rear cabinet. So if we just put a little downward pressure and outward pressure on it, we can pop those tabs out and slide it off the bottom, and then we can set that aside. Now, that gives us access to the rear drive pulley and the belt, so we can simply roll that belt off of the pulley and discard it. Now, the belt has a flat side and a multi-groove side, and the multi-groove side, of course, will go against the motor pulley and the drive pulley. So to install the new belt, we'll drop it inside the opening, wrap the grooved side of the belt around the motor pulley and on the driven pulley. We'll try to center that belt on the motor pulley as best we can, and then simply rotate the drive pulley and roll the belt right onto it. Now, rotate it a couple of times. And if need be, adjust it on the motor pulley so that it centers itself on the driven pulley. So just pull it forward or push it backward to line it up on the next groove on that pulley. Rotate it a couple of times. Once you have it centered, we can now put the back panel back in position. Insert the slots on the bottom first, and just carefully, with some downward pressure, bend those top tabs into place. And you can center the back panel so that the screws line up properly. Tighten all 4 screws. And now we can push the washer back into position. Now we're ready to reconnect the power, and our repair is complete. I told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.